Pluto is a small, icy object located in the outer reaches of the solar system. It was discovered in 1930 by Clyde Tombaugh and was initially classified as the ninth planet in the solar system. However, in 2006, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union. This decision was made because Pluto did not meet the IAU's new definition of a planet, which stated that a planet must meet three criteria: it must orbit the Sun, it must be spherical in shape, and it must clear its orbit of other objects. Pluto is spherical in shape and orbits the Sun, but it does not meet the third criteria because it shares its orbit with other objects, such as the Kuiper Belt, a region of small, icy bodies beyond Neptune. According to the IAU's definition, this makes Pluto a dwarf planet rather than a full-fledged planet. Some scientists and members of the public have disagreed with the IAU's decision and argue that Pluto should be considered a planet. However, the IAU's definition is widely accepted by the scientific community, and Pluto is currently classified as a dwarf planet. Here are some additional facts about Pluto. It is the second most massive dwarf planet in the solar system, after Eris. Pluto is made up of rock and ice, and is thought to have a rocky core surrounded by a mantle of water ice. Pluto is about 2/3 the size of the Moon, with a diameter of about 2,377 kilometers. It has 5 known moons: Charon, Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. Charon is the largest of these moons, and is about half the size of Pluto. Pluto's surface is covered in various types of ice, including frozen methane, nitrogen, and water. It also has a thin atmosphere that is mostly composed of nitrogen, with small amounts of methane and carbon monoxide. Pluto's orbit is highly elliptical, and it is sometimes closer to the Sun than Neptune. When it is at its closest point to the Sun, it is about 30 times farther from the Sun than the Earth is. At its farthest point, it is about 50 times farther from the Sun than the Earth is. In 2015, the New Horizons spacecraft conducted a flyby of Pluto and sent back detailed images and data about the dwarf planet. This mission provided scientists with new insights into the composition and geology of Pluto and its moons. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I really appreciate your support, and I hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving the video a like.